Hey friends, check it out. This is our brand new adventure product. It is an LED lantern, perfect for camping, for our Sprinter van adventures. It's made by AYL or A Young Life. In today's video, I'm gonna just give you a closer look at some of our favorite features and we'll give it a quick review. Now, straight out of the box, you can get a closer look at the lantern. Fairly decent size, but also compact, so it can be thrown in a storage space, a backpack maybe, and not take up too much room, but still allow a lot of light. So you're gonna get the main lantern, and then you're also gonna get this USB-C charging cable. So the first thing we need to do is go onto the back. There's this little charging port back here. We can pull that down. You can see that we got the charging port there, as well as a USB output port. I believe that you can charge like your phone on something like this. So we're gonna plug the USB-C cable in. We'll give it a full charge and we'll take a look. Okay, as you can see, we've got a full charge. Let's go ahead and test this out. Again, we're looking at 2300 lumen. We'll do this in the dark as well. But the first thing you obviously want to see is the power button. If we flip that on, we get a low light setting. One more time, goes even brighter. Another time, and this is gonna be more of a bright light. I know it's hard to see on camera. Again, we'll test it out in the dark, but this is more of a bright light versus the softer light that when it first started. Once more, then we get this flashing red. This is gonna be for more of like an SOS kind of experience here. Now, there are a couple of configurations for using this lantern. So we can actually use this stand. As you can see, that just stores like this. Again, on a table, it should be perfect, like maybe a camping picnic table. On the top here, there's actually another hook. So if you, again, you like it in this configuration, you can hang it from a tree branch or again, a hook maybe in your trailer. But there's other ways of hanging this as well. So we can move this back down, put the stands back into place here. And on the bottom, we're gonna find an additional hook that we can use. In fact, what you can do is use this as a carabiner. You could even have this strapped to like a backpack or something like that while you're moving around hiking at night. Okay, we're out here in the garage. I've got it all dark so we can get a good test of the lantern. This is gonna be the lowest setting, and I'll go ahead and cycle through these lights, and I'm gonna show you a really cool feature here at the end. So that's gonna be the lowest setting. We'll kick it up one more. Again, a little lighter. You can see it's starting to illuminate a little bit more. Let's go to the brightest setting. That is gonna be that really bright LED light. Then we can go to the flashing red. There you go. So again, it does a really good job of lighting your immediate area. Now watch what happens if I push and hold this button on one of these settings. As I push and hold, you can see that it starts dimming. So you can really dial in your exact setting that you like by pushing and holding that button. That's a very, very cool feature. Okay, so there you go, friends. That is the AYL, A Young Life camping lantern. Super cool product. I really like this. I really like that it's rechargeable. I'm really looking forward to our next adventure trip. We're gonna stick this in our adventure van and definitely use it. Thumbs up from us. Hopefully this has helped. If it has, subscribe. We got a ton more of these little review videos, outdoor adventure products, all sorts of different things to show you how things are used and give you our general reviews to help your shopping experience. Subscribe and we will see you again on the next one.